In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bitbucket account. If you're new to Bitbucket, it's Atlassian's Git-based hosting service for repositories and team collaboration. Creating an account is quick, and once you're in, you can start managing code, pull requests, and permissions across your projects. I'll walk you through the essentials, add helpful context, and keep everything simple so you can follow along confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and go to bitbucket.org. Type the address directly into the address bar to avoid lookalike links, and check that you see the secure lock icon next to the URL. If you land on an Atlassian branded page with Bitbucket prominently featured, you're in the right place. This ensures you're signing up through the official website and helps keep your information safe. Next, look to the top right of the page and click Get It Free. Websites can change layouts from time to time, so if you don't see that exact button, look for a similar call to action like Sign Up or Try for Free. The goal is to start the account creation flow for Bitbucket under your Atlassian account, which powers access across Atlassian products. When prompted, enter your email address via Mailbus. Choose an email you can access easily, ideally the one you plan to use for your development work. If you're joining a team, your organization may prefer a work email domain, so permissions and access can be managed centrally. Double check for typos here. Using the correct address makes account recovery and notifications much smoother later on. After entering your email, click Sign Up. This begins creating your Atlassian account with Bitbucket access. Depending on your region or organization, you may see a few on-screen prompts to confirm details. Just follow what you see on the page. If a new tab or pop-up appears, ensure your browser allows it for this site so the sign-up can complete without interruptions. Alternatively, you can choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack if those options are shown on your screen. This lets you sign in using an existing identity, which can be faster and helps you avoid managing another password. Before you proceed, confirm you're signed into the correct personal or work account in your browser. Some companies require a specific provider for single sign-on, so pick the one your team uses. You may be asked to grant basic profile permissions as part of this flow. That's it. You went to bitbucket.org, selected Get It Free, entered your email, clicked Sign Up, or used a trusted sign-in provider. You're ready to access Bitbucket and start collaborating on code with your team.